Let's take a look at Pizzeria app, a food website. Let's get started. So we are currently on the home page. Let's take a look at the admin section, which is the important part of the website if you are a restaurant owner. I've already created few entries in all of the tabs. So let's take a look at it one by one. So currently we are in the first one, which is the product. And to create a new product, you can simply click on new and it will bring up the pop-up. You can fill in all of the details. Here you can add in different angles of the product, and you are good to go. So simply click on create. All of the details are important, everything is mandatory, so you have to fill in all of the details and click on create. And let's go ahead and exit this right now. So it's that simple. So if you have like about 20 to 30 products and you want to bring out one, you can simply click on that and type in your name and it will bring up the product that you're searching for. And as for select, it has spice. We have one spice, non-veg. So it's very simple and straightforward. Basically, the same functionality is for the other tabs as well. So let's take a quick look at testimonial. The testimonial section is on the main part of the website. So let's take a look at that. So clicking on a home. So as you scroll down, this is the testimonial section. This section can be reserved for anyone who can promote your company, whether to your website or to your offline store. So this section is really good for that. So let's head back to the dashboard page. So basically the function is pretty much the same right here. And let's head over to Teams. So as you can see here, we have two entries. One of them is a designer and another is a chef. And as your business grows, you can add all the team members and the people who work at your company to the team right here and display them on the about page. And yeah, that's pretty nice. So let's head over to the FAQ, frequently asked questions. So the frequently asked questions is really important for any website for that matter, and you can simply create by clicking on new question and answer. You can create the basic questions that people ask or the complicated or questions that people might not ask. You can also add them right here. And let's head over to the reviews tab. So the review section can be seen on the products page. So let's take the example of pepperoni right here. So we are on that page, products page. So as you can see here, we have Lily's review and it is also reflected in the dashboard right here for the owner's reference. So that's pretty much it for reviews tab. So let's go ahead and take a look at question and answer. So the question and answer section can be seen on the same page as the reviews. And as you can see, a pepperoni and pepperoni, how many servings are there in a pack? So you can see the same question right here. So you can go ahead and click on the three dots, edit, type in your answer, and you are good to go. So this is how Pizzeria works from the restaurant's owner perspective. Thank you.